Hey guys, it's James, and it has been quite some time since my last tutorial, but today we're going to be going over something fairly simple. It's using Mocha and After Effects to track and stabilize footage. If you've never used Mocha, it is an awesome bit of software that's included with the Creative Suite, and it basically allows you to track entire areas of pixels as opposed to certain clusters of pixels like After Effects does. So that means that you can track things that may have depth of field or may have like grain, which usually makes tracking difficult using After Effects. So I'm using CS4. CS3 I know looks pretty similar to this, and I'm not sure about CS5, but it's one more than CS4, so it should be one more better. So you see I have Mocha open up here. We're going to go ahead and create a new project file, and it's going to ask us for a clip to import. I'm going to go ahead and select the clip I'm going to use and go ahead and click next, and I'll overwrite the previous stuff. As we move along, it's going to automatically fill in the values with the width and height as well as the length in frames. Going to go to next, and it's going to automatically choose the value for frames per second as well. You want to make sure that this is set to the exact value that you're importing at, because that's going to be the value of the information that the exported tracking data is set to. So that needs to be correct, and everything's good here. So we're going to click finish, and you'll see that it'll start to cache the image so that we can scrub through it without any of that jankiness that happens in After Effects. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just take a second to say doing these tutorials takes time. So guys like Nick Campbell and Andrew Kramer and some of the others that are out there, they deserve some major props, so to speak, because they put out amazing tutorials. And as much as I'd like to have the time to do this more often, growing up sucks. So if there's a way to not grow up, you take advantage of it, because the more work you have to do, the less time you have to do things like this, unless you become a teacher, and then you can do it all the time. But not my cup of tea. So once this is done cacheing, you can see that we can scrub through this very easily. And as I'm scrubbing through this, you can see that we have some slight camera shake. It's not too bad, but something that we definitely want to eliminate, as for this project that I'm working on,